Today we'll be looking at how to upload files directly to GitHub in case you're having trouble installing Git Kraken, and if there's any other problem which is really preventing you from uploading code to GitHub, this will make it really easy. So okay, let's get started. So we'll create a program, any like some simple program, and we'll upload it on GitHub, and we'll see how to update the repository. Like in case you change the program, what do you do about it? Like how to go about updating the GitHub repository as well. Right. Anyway, some simple repo, something like that, and here. Some, well, that's my username. So anyway, let's upload this code to GitHub. Now, firstly, we'll have to create a repository for our code, right? So let's do that. New repository, repository name, something like that. Okay, so we can initialize this with a README. Yeah, we have to initialize this with a README. Create repository. And then, now that our repository is created, if you want to add this code to our repository or any number of files for that matter, so let's create, just for the sake of proving to you guys that you can add any number of files. Let's create another file. Right, so let's upload both of these files, and again, it can be any number of files. You just have to go to your repository. There'll be a button for upload files. Click on that, and then you can just drag and drop any number of files here. So we can do left click and then drag and drop it here. You can do that, or you can also choose your files. Like you can click on choose file and it'll open up this dialog box. You can just go to desktop or wherever you have stored your files, and you can select any number of files that you want. Right? So to select multiple files, you have to click. You have to click and hold. Not click. You have to hold the control key. So hold the control key and then click on other files. So both will get selected. If we don't hold control key, only one will get selected. So hold the control key and then click on the other. Both will get selected. You can add any number of files you want. So let's do that. Or else you can just drag and drop the files here. You can just left click, drag and drop it here. It has to be in this region. Right. So anyway, now that you see that these things are added, you just have to create a commit message. Added some simple C programs, then commit change. And you can see that our files have got added. Some.c and then second.c, right? Let's try to modify a program and see how we would update things. So instead of second file, maybe I want to write this is using C program, something like that. So how do I update my file now? So when you change some files, like if you're using this upload files method, what you have to do is you again have to click on the upload files. You just select all the files that you have changed. In our case, we've only changed second.c, right? So just select that, drag and drop, drag and drop. Or of course, you can also click on this choose files and uh, select your files. But anyway, again, you have to create a commit message, change the current state contents. And now you'll see that uh, if you go to second.c, you'll see that your program has been updated. So it's as simple as that. Now you guys really shouldn't have any excuses, as to why you can't upload your code.